the 3 divorce, that will entail 3 menses to pass, which will count as 1, another 3 menses to pass, that will be the second divorce, and another 3 menses to pass for the final
No.
divorce.
3 divorce means divorced her and then he returned her back and then he divorced her again and returned her back. Yeah, so he divorced her and within his cooling off period, the 3 cycles, if she's not pregnant, and she's making menstruation as well, she returned her back. Then after that, he divorced her again. But not 3 divorce, 1 go, divorce. No, it doesn't, it counts 1. Somebody says, I hate you so much. Divorce to the power 1,000. Well, only 1. It's only 1. You can't divorce a divorcee. Do you understand that? That's what Ibn Abbas he said. So when you divorce, and you get another divorce, when she's divorced, when you divorce in the divorce, you have to return her back to divorce to get married first. Do you understand me? You can't divorce somebody who's divorced.